Hello everyone, this is the second part of Microsoft Word's keyboard shortcut key. The first part we will talk about 12 of them and today we'll talk about the rest. Control, we will start from 13. Control P is to open the print window. Just hold Control and P together. Then you'll see the print window and you just need to choose your printer and print the document. 14. Control R is to align the line or selected text to the right of the screen. Control R is to the right of the screen. 15. Control S is to save the document. You save the document. Number 16. Control T is to give a hanging indent to the text. 18. Control U2 is to underline the selected text. Let's try a sentence. You want to underline it. Hold Control and U together to underline selected text. 19. Control V is to paste a selected text. We said that Control C is to copy. Control V is to paste the selected text. As you see, we pasted the selected text. Control W is to close the currently open document. We don't want to close the document. Hold Control W together to close open document. Hold Control and X together. You cut the selected text. 21. Control Y is to redo. Redo. Control Z is to undo an action. Control Z is to undo an action. That's the second part of Microsoft Word keyboard shortcut keys. I hope you find it helpful. See more videos like this, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.